In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add font in Miro. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to Miro.com. This brings you to your Miro dashboard where you manage and create your whiteboards. Once you're there, look for the option to create something new. Click Create New to start a fresh workspace so you can see the font tools in action without affecting any existing boards. Next, choose Board. This opens a clean, blank canvas. Miro boards are flexible spaces for diagrams, notes, and visuals, and adding the right font can really help your content look consistent with your brand or project style. On the left-hand side, you'll see Miro's main toolbar. Click the text tool. Your cursor will change and you can click anywhere on the board to place a text box. This is where you'll preview and format your font. Type a short sample line into the text box. Something simple and readable is best. Think of a headline or a phrase you commonly use. This makes it easier to judge the look and spacing of your font choice. With your text selected, look to the toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll see the font controls there, including the current font name, size, color, alignment, and more. Click the font name to open the font picker. This list shows the fonts currently available in your workspace and lets you switch between them. Take a moment to try a few options to see how your text will look on the board. If you only need a different weight or style, check for bold and italic settings before changing the entire font family. If you want to bring in more choices, select all Add Fonts from the font menu. This option is designed for teams that need custom or expanded font sets across their boards, helping keep everything visually consistent. At this point, Miro will inform you that adding fonts is a feature that requires an upgrade. You'll see a prompt explaining that access to custom font management is available on paid plans. If you're exploring, you can review the prompt to understand what's included. If you're not ready to upgrade, you can still work effectively using Miro's built-in fonts and adjust sizes, weights, spacing, and color to get a professional look. That's it. You've opened a board, added text, explored the font picker, and seen where to add fonts if your plan supports it. Feel free to keep experimenting on your board. Miro saves your work automatically so you can quickly compare styles and settle on a consistent look for your project. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Miro.